In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a report in Freshworks. Now, the first thing you have to do is you want to go to the Analytics tab here on the left, and then when you're in here, you'll be able to see a blue button up top, which is going to say New Report, and you want to click on it. When you do that here, you can then customize and create your own report. First, you can give it a name up top. Currently, it's untitled. I'm going to name it Report 1 for this tutorial. There we go. And you want to click out. It's going to save. And then here you can then just drag and drop different widgets to create your report. So on the right hand side, you'll have your widgets. Here you will have one-stop shop for free built widgets. As you can see, you can go ahead and see different things. You can drag them on here. You can do whatever you want to do. And there's going to be different templates, etc. Or you could just go out of here, so back, and then you can create from scratch. You could add on different charts, and the charts you'll be able to put on different metrics here on the right hand side. You'll be able to go ahead and group them by different things, add more metrics, title them, etc. And then you can of course click on add widgets again, add something else on here, customize that too. And there's a bunch of things you could do. You could also move these around, you could resize them, you could move them, you could do whatever you want. It's very interactive, as you can see. And of course you can customize your own report however you want it to look. So just go ahead, keep pressing add widgets, find the things that make sense, and then you'll be able to create your report and generate it that way. Whenever you're happy with how your report looks like, you could go to the save button over here and save it, or you could go ahead and filter stuff as well, or stylize it. So if you want the background to be a different color, for example, you could do that as well. And here you could also select a different borders, stuff like that. So there's a lot of different things you can actually do in here and achieve however you want your report to look. If you want more pages, you can click down here at the bottom and you can add different pages on here as well. And then again, when you're happy, click on the save button, and then this is going to basically save your report. If I go to analytics over here, I'll be able to see my report. So if it's going to allow me right now, let me actually try to switch over and see if it's in there. It should be, because I just saved it. There we go. It popped right back in. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.